Hi guys, if you are also facing your Facebook account automatically randomly logged out in your browser, then here are the fixes. We will try to fix it. And the first and initial workaround is clear your browser cookies and caches. Launch your browser, either Chrome or Firefox or Edge. We will try it on Google Chrome browser. Click on three vertical dot against top right corner and choose settings. From the left side, click on three horizontal line and choose privacy and security. Here click on delete browsing data. Here from the top menu bar, choose all time and make the check against all these options: browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, download history, autofill. Choose, make the check against all these items. And finally, click on delete data from the bottom right corner. And check whether your problem is resolved or not. One more fixes you will have to try. Same, click on three vertical dot against top right corner and choose extensions. Hover the cursor on extension and choose manage extensions. And if you have added any extensions to your Chrome browser, simply disable it. If not in use, then simply disable it. Turn the toggle button off and close your window. The one more workaround you will have to try is launch your Facebook profile page. Here click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Here choose settings and privacy. Again choose settings. Thereafter find the settings that you need. So in search field type logged in, LOGGDED, logged, and you will find the result where you are logged in. If you have any other active sessions found, simply log out from other sessions. So click on where you are logged in and you will find all your active sessions with same account. If you have already logged in with same account to another device, then sign out from other devices or remove that devices. Close the windows and again on the same Facebook page, again launch Facebook profile, click on settings and privacy, choose settings and here go to account center. From the left side, click on it. Here choose password and security. From the right side, click on change password. Change your Facebook password. Follow on screen instruction to complete the password changing process. Click on it. Put your old password and confirm new password and confirm new password. Restart your system, your problem should be definitely be resolved. That's all.